Welcome to Patty's Aquatics. So today what I have for you guys is another unboxing video. And it's from Hygger again. What they sent me is the Hygger Aquarium water pump. I have a project for this upcoming, which will be a future video, so you have to hold on for that one. But today I want to show you how this pump works and show you everything about it, so stay tuned. So taking the pump out of the box straight away, I can tell you that it's made of nice sturdy material, and it can be used in saltwater and freshwater alike, similar to that wave maker I did a review on previously. So also this pump can be used submerged within your water, or it can be used outside of it. Right now it's set up to be submerged, and it has this strainer in the top, in the front here. This is where the water will get pumped in. They have an alternate top that can go on there so you can suck debris and stuff from the bottom. Say if you put this like on a brick or something at the bottom of a pond, and then the water will come out through the top part here, whether you have a hose or a PVC piping or however you have it set up. Now, if you want it outside, this part would stay the same, but then you take your strainer part off, and then they have, they have a similar fitting like this, which I have over here, gets screwed onto there, and then you'd have your hose or pipe coming from that as well. So very cool setup, but let me get it into my pond where I'm going to show you how it works, and we'll go from there. All right, so first thing you want to do is, if you're submerging it like I am, is put the pump into the water before you plug it in. And I just have a hose that I had from an old canister filter attached to it, so I'm just going to drop this down into the pond like so. And then I have the other part of my canister filter hose over here attached. Let's see if we can turn that. And that's where the water is going to come out from. But first we got to plug it in. All right, so I got it going. And then this is the controller to adjust the speed and flow rate. It's the up and down button. And this right now the screen you're seeing is telling you what power mode that it's in. And if I hit the up button, it'll go to this screen, and it's telling you we're on the 43rd speed. And by adjusting it up and down, you adjust that rate. It goes all the way up to 100, and then the lowest rate is 30, which I probably will keep at now for demonstration purposes. Now, if you want to feed your fish and you want that flow to stop for a bit, hit that pause button. That puts you into feed mode. That way there will be no flow going. You can feed your fish or whatever maintenance you may want to do in there at the time. And then when you want to turn it back on, simply hit that pause button again and it kicks back in. So that is the operation of this controls. It's very simple and very easy. You can't get anything wrong with it. Now, what uses would you have for this pump? Well, I can tell you there's many uses. You could use it to drain your ponds or aquariums. You could use it as a filter by having this flow into some type of filter to be able to filter through back into your water. You could use this in a sump. There's many ways that you could use this pump for, and I find it to be very handy to have. But like I said, I have a project to use it for, which we'll get into another video, and I will show this pump again. But this is the simple operation of this pump. Simple, easy, but very effective. That's why I wanted it, and that's why I like it. Well, that was the Hygger Aquarium water pump, HG915-3000. That's this model. I'd have to say that I'm completely and utterly happy with this water pump so far, straight out of the box. That controller, like I said, is so easy and simple to operate. You can't get it wrong. I didn't mention the cord of this pump as well. It's got to be close to 10 feet. That's ideal for any type of projects you want to use it for. And like I said, there's multiple things that you could use it for, whether it be submerged within your water or outside, different projects. And I just want to say thank you to Hygger. Thank you for helping me out with this water pump. I had, like I said before, I have a project in mind for it, and they helped me out with that. So if you want, check out Hygger's website, and I'll put a link to that in the description of this video, and I'll also send a link for the Amazon for this water pump within the description of the video. as well. And also check out any of their social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all that. I'll have it all linked within the description of the video. And just check out Hygger itself. They have a lot of cool products. I find some of the things that they're doing to be very innovative, and I kind of like it a lot. So that being said, I really hoped you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please consider hitting that subscribe button. But always remember to think outside that box and take a step back into nature. I hope to see you next time at here at Patty's Aquatics.